Great effort, and in the middle part of the day, you wouldn't really expect that. It is cooler than what yesterday was temperature-wise. The wind is fairly static. It's nothing too spectacular, so conditions are still quite good. Obviously not what morning prime time gives, but for Kazmiri to go out and do a 34.9 in that car at this time of day leads me to think that perhaps later on there's a better 34 in it, which would push him from potentially fourth, where he put that potentially onto the podium spot. Is that Yaris is loose again?
That's Wesley Tang getting to know the Yaris a little bit better. I was listening to you and watching him, and Wesley Tang is trying to put one down here with this Land Speed Racing GR Yaris. So
did he grab the handbrake instead of the gear selector?
I don't know. Who knows? He just saw his attack into turn 2. He just went way far out this side of the turn and then reaped the thing around. But again, the wheelbase of these things, I mean, the horsepower to the wheelbase ratio, I don't know if that's a thing, but it always ends up in different body language for a particular sort of vehicle. But this car, these nuggets, they're real nuggets, these things. I'm surprised just how effective a weapon these things have become and how popular they are. And then we've got this Yaris worship. Just when we're looking for new cars to worship, Toyota still just keep the nose in the game and give us these great weapons. Have a look at that. The Supra and the Yaris are part of that GR range being executed.